everyone else's time while I'm around for being attacked in pretty little dime. So there's peace and dine and wine and drink their mouths out of their golden chalices as they have their dogs do the work of hate and malice. Look on their hands, I bet they're no callous. Lately I just can't stop feeling like a bird. Don't even know what I'm supposed to be fucking learning. And it's just minorities who are listening like, fuck you, man, you ain't my math. And I know pretty loud, I'm not just a bitch you can always harass. Don't you know that golden road, thorns are first are always last. When I hear about your bills and policies, do I wanna laugh? Government's acting like we can't care for ourselves, man, I'm retarded and daft. Scoring the work of man over his favorite craft. And I might just need a lashing, yeah, my head just got to need a little bath. But you ain't no servant to the master, all you do is make kids these billionaires' asses. Or else I just see it straight and it's just my glasses. So tired of you bastards preaching hatred in your class. You know I don't even believe in things like lads and lasses. Hostile majority everywhere I go, hostile majority I never felt so trying to scream no. Think you can do whatever you want, I ain't no goddamn hoe. But I can't deal with this life cause it's moving so slow.